Namaskaram. Sengol. What is meant by Sengol? Who is the god of gods? Lord Shiva. He is the king of all. Okay. Then Vishnu we have. Who is the son of Shiva? It's Kartikeya. Who is the son-in-law of Vishnu? Because Vishnu took Devayani, the daughter of Indra, as his daughter and was married to Kartikeya. So Kartikeya is the son of Shiva and son-in-law of Vishnu. After killing Surabhatma, when he became the king, when Lord Kartikeya became the king, he was given Sengol. Whenever you become a king, you are given the Sengol. Then, even if we go and see in our village, the village headman will have a Sengol. In kings, if you see the great Cholas, Pandyas, Cheras, or many of the kings in India, not only India, around the world, even in Egypt, pharaohs, the kings will have Sengol. Okay, all ancient stuff we have seen. This Sengol represents power and authority. We have made this in special dimension with special 6 metals, Panchaloka, and we have done a lot of puja for this Sengol. So whoever wants to have a king's life or whoever wants authority and power can use Sengol. Both male and female, on any day, anytime they can use Sengol. You want more details, you have my number below, contact me. I will give as much information as possible, and I pray that Lord Shiva, Vishnu and Kartikeya give you a great king's life. Namaskaram.